Hi, and welcome to this class for hip mobility. This can be a great warm-up for a sport. It can just be a great mobility practice on its own to help to gradually improve the quality of movement for your hips. We're going to begin seated, connecting to the breath, and then we'll get moving. Let's get started. Let's come into a comfortable cross-legged seat, and we're going to do 3 rounds of Ujjayi pranayama, and I want you to notice if it feels like the breath can move more freely. So with your eyes closed, make a slight constriction in the back of your throat so your breath makes sound. Breathe in. And out. In for 5 counts. And out. In for 5 counts. And out. Gently open the eyes. And let's do a little bit of hip mobility now. So let's come into a lunge position with the right foot to the outside of the right hand, hands on the inside of the foot. If you're more open, you can lift the back knee for this. Now take your right elbow down towards the ground and then twist open, reach up. Exhale to reach down 4 more times. And inhale to reach up. Hold the reach up position. 3, 2, 1. Both hands come down on inside of the foot. If back knee was down, lift back knee. Step back leg forward. Squat. Change legs. Reach your left arm up. Twist. And reach elbow down. 4 more times. Hold the stretch for 3, 2, 1. Both hands come down. Lift back knee up. Step back leg forward. Squat down. Lift hips. Stretch hamstrings. Squat back down. Step your left leg back into a lunge. Drop your left knee down. Now upright yourself. Step your right leg out to the side. As you exhale, lunge to your right. And as you inhale, come back up 4 times. Now hold the lunge position, and let's add a side bend. Reach the left arm up and over as you bring your forearm to your knee. Come back up. Step your right foot to the front of the mat, hands on the inside of the foot. Lift your back knee. Step back leg forward. Drop into your squat. Lift hips up. Stretch the legs towards straight. Rebend. Step right leg back. Drop knee down and upright yourself in the lunge. Take the left foot over to the left. Tall through your spine. Lunge to your left as you exhale. And come back up 4 times. Now hold the lunge position. Reach your right arm up and over, forearm to your knee. Take a deep breath here. Beautiful. Come back up. Step the left foot forward, hands down, lift back knee up. Step back leg forward, squat down into your lowest squat that you can. Stretch the legs towards straight. Roll yourself up. And fold forward. Come onto your hands and your knees. Cat-cow. 3 rounds. Good. Now take your left leg out to the side. Slide your left hand behind your head. As you exhale, roll your chest towards your right arm. As you inhale, twist open. 3 times. Change sides. Right hand behind your head, roll your chest towards your left arm. Inhale to twist open. 3 more times. Now both hands down. Change legs. And from here, maintaining a neutral spine, I want you to rock your hips back. And then come forward. Just go till you feel a stretch. I'm showing just a little bit of movement back, but you might be able to sit back deeper towards the heel. Notice how I'm not letting my spine round at all or the pelvis tuck, but I'm reaching my sit bones back, my buttock bones back. 3 more. Hold in the stretch position before coming forward. And change sides. Hold the last one in the stretch position. And release. Now come to seated. Bring the left leg forward, come into 90 position. So the left shin at a 90-degree angle, right leg towards 90. You can tuck the leg in closer if your hips are less open. Turn towards your left knee, open your chest, and as you exhale, tip from your hip, lean towards the knee, and back up. We'll go 9 times. With an open chest and a flat back, lean your chest towards the leg. Don't let your back round. Think of dragging your buttock back as you lean. Dragging the heart forward and the buttock back. Last one. Nice job. Change sides. Good. Then we're going to come right into an internal rotation stretch. So with your hands behind you and your feet wide apart, let's swivel the left knee into the midline and then come back. Just moving the left knee. And change sides. And now a little windshield wiper action. Swivel side to side, let both knees move. And come to a kneeling position. Curl your right toes under, left foot forward. Tuck the buttocks, lift the front of the pelvis. And now we're just going to gently glide the hips forward till you feel a stretch there. And come back. Keep the buttock tuck. Forward and back. Now find the stretch position. Reach your right arm up and over. For 3, 2, 1. Good. Release that. Change sides. So it's a real subtle movement. Curl the toes. Tuck the buttock. You might already feel the stretch. Just back over top of the knee. You might need to come forward an inch, maybe 2, maybe 3 or 4. I'm fine at 2. This one's deep and subtle. On my right side, the quad's really tight, so I feel it more in the quad. On this left side, I'm getting more up into the hip flexor. Just pulse into the stretch. Keep the buttock tucked, the belly pulled up. Last one. Pulse into the stretch. Reach the arm up and over. For 3, 2, 1. Good job. Now stand up, and we're just going to test the hips. After having done all those warm-ups, should feel like the hips move really well. Pretend like there's a little rope here at about knee height. Take your left leg, stepping up and over the imaginary rope, and then the right. Right leg, lift the knee up as high as you can, up and over. Oh man, look at these hips moving like so good. All right, so your hips should feel super buttery now. Ready to go into your flow or whatever you're going to do now. All right, thank you so much for joining me for that class. I hope you feel like your hips feel like they're ready to go. Maybe I would probably go for a surf now after having got my hips all sorted out. But if you used it as a warm-up, let me know. Or if you're just using it for general mobility, let me know too. I'm going to put a link below to the mobility course on the Conscious Movement community, which is a great way to help to improve your full body mobility. So if you haven't started the course with me, I'm putting a link in the description as well as the first comment. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.